Good morning, everyone. So, I will talk about the bronchoscopy. So, what is bronchoscopy? It is a way, like endoscopy, everybody knows. This is a way that we go from the nose to the lung via a very simple and a thin tube, which actually we see it, and then we go not deep into the lung, only to the airways and see the can take out any sputum analysis or something or sputum from there. The way you can see this is the airway. Focus over here, and this is the airway, and these are the branches. So what happens, there's some pneumonia patch over here. So from here, from the nose, we go till the here only, and we suck out some sputum or bulgum if it is required for some analysis. So I would like to tell what is bronchoscopy. Bronchoscopy is always done under local anesthesia. Mostly we don't, if the patient, even if a child is there, hardly he required admission, even it is very young child, say less than 5 years of the age or more than 55 or 60 years of the age, then we require sometimes admission, which is daycare. But otherwise, it is an OPD procedure. You have to just come empty stomach, and we during this procedure we generally anesthetize your local airways, and we just give some little medication so that you don't feel anxious. And this procedure is done very safely with good 100% oxygen, and we actually take out the pure sputum for analysis. Now, this analysis can be sent for tuberculosis or for any bacterial organisms. So, if say your child or any other patient is having symptoms of tuberculosis and he or she is not able to produce sputum properly, so please don't give saliva for the analysis. This is not going to gain anything. जैसे टीबी का कीटाणु अगर छाती के अंदर होता है तो हम उसको प्योर बलगम हमें चाहिए. अगर आप बलगम प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाते हो, पर अगर आपको टेस्ट देना है, क्योंकि टेस्ट काफ़ी महंगे भी होते हैं, तो उसमें क्या होता है, हम सलाइवा का टेस्ट दे देते हैं और सोचते टीबी है कि नहीं है. तो इससे बेटर है कि उस समय पे अगर बलगम ना प्रोड्यूस हो रही हो और हमारे पास डायग्नोज करने का कोई और तरीका नहीं है, तो ब्रोंकोस्कोपी इज अ वेरी सेफ प्रोसीजर. वी विल गो इनसाइड द लंग, and over there you can take out the sputum. It is done hardly in 2 to 3 minutes, और 5 मिनट के अंदर अंदर ये स्कोपी हो जाती है. सिर्फ इसमें हमें बच्चे को या बड़े को उस समय पे एनपीओ यानी खाने पीना सुबह खाली पेट आना है और ये जांच करानी है, जो बहुत ही फायदेमंद हो सकती है फॉर ट्यूबरकुलोसिस. थैंक यू.